Okay, so let's start the remaining question. Yesterday we have done some question of this 5th September फर्स्ट शिफ्ट. ठीक है, 5th September फर्स्ट शिफ्ट का बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन हो गए थे. 15 क्वेश्चन इज रिमेनिंग, so you can we have to do the remaining 15 question today. Yes, we have done till 25, 26 number question. Solve it. Solve it. 26 number question. Akash also try to solve the question. Akash, as you have started preparation today only, so you can try. This is only the previous year's question, December 2019. So try it. Try to solve it. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. Two zero four is the answer. That is option number 4. Option number 4 is the answer. Vijaya Lakshmi, you are wrong. Sunita and Sarita is correct. आई थिंक रिवर्स लिखा है. रिवर्स तो कोई क्या है. हाँ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज और आर करेक्ट कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डिजिटल इंडिया इनिशिएटिव. हेयर इट इज टेलिंग दैट is are correct in the context of digital India initiative, that is National Digital Library India, that is NDL, is 24/7 online storehouse for all academic awards July, digitalized and launched by academic institution, and it is not correct. And here also that National Depository is all digital library that store information about different types of digital content relevant to citizen. यहाँ पे जस्ट उल्टा हो गए हैं, यहाँ पे जस्ट ऑपोजिट हो गए. यू आर करेक्ट सुनीता. दैट्स वाई द नाइदर ए और नॉर बी ऑपोजिट हो गए हैं. हेयर यहाँ पे देखो आप आंसर को, जस्ट रीड द statement carefully. It is telling only the reverse. It is telling only the reverse. That's why it is not correct. Just try to read the question. Only reverse हो गए, so that's why it is not correct. ठीक है. NDL is this and NAD is this. National Academic Depository is this and National Library India is this. ठीक है. So only reverse it is telling. That's why the answer is wrong. Now next one. Hello Chandan. Which of the statement is correct? Question number 27. Okay, so what is the answer? 206 is the answer. 206 is the answer. That is option number 2. Option number 2, not 3. Option number 2. WWW is a network of that first started with 4 computer nodes, and next one is telling that is WWW is a service that runs on the internet. So which one is correct? That is only B is correct. Why A is correct? Why A? 4 कंप्यूटर से नोड से स्टार्ट हुआ था, ऐसा कोई इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है सुनीता? सुनीता, why you are telling that 3? Why you are telling the 3? Only B is the correct, that is it is the service of the run in internet. What it is telling, that is WWW network is network that first started with 4 computer node. So is there anything you know that 4 computer node से start हुआ था? ऐसा कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास नहीं है और किसी के पास भी नहीं है. So that's why this is wrong. A is wrong, only B is correct. That's why option 2 is the correct answer. ठीक है? Yes. Now next one. Academic performance of student is determined by. Academic performance of student is determined by. Yes, this is very easy. This is very easy. That is 209. 209 is the answer. Definitely 1 is the answer. Because gender तो नहीं ही होगा. Gender is not the possibility. Gender से कोई भी academic performance नहीं होता है. Because now in our class all of girls. Most of the students are girls here only. So gender is not a specific, and after that is the physics. Physics is also not there. Only intelligence and motivation. Correct. Now next one. Spread the forecast fire is influenced by. Spread of forest fire. Spread of forest fire is influenced by. Forest fire. A.G. Maxwell. A.G. Maxwell, I think new to this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update and try to continue this channel. A.G. Maxwell, I think you are new. Yes, 28. That is 216. 216 is the answer. 216. That is 4. 4 means all, A, B, C, all, that is slope, soil moisture and wind, all of this. 4 is the answer. 216, 4 is the answer. The forest fire मतलब जंगल में जब आग लग जाते हैं. Forest fire means that is when there is the fire in the forest, then it is depending on slope. Slope means that is how it is. Slope and the soil moisture means मिट्टी कैसा है, soil का moisture कैसा है, उसमें is it dry or is it wetty, is there how much water is there in the soil, so that are the soil moisture. And wind means wind से ही आग बढ़ता है. If there are so many wind, then the आग बहुत तेज़ी से जलता है, और अगर विंड का स्पीड कम रहता है तो आग थोड़ा कम होता है. राइट, दैट्स वाई 4 is the answer. Slope, soil moisture and wind, all are there. करेक्ट आंसर, नॉट 3, आंसर इज 4. स्लोप भी रहते हैं, स्लोप मीन्स ऊपर से नीचे, कैसे? स्लोप मीन्स हाउ द नेचर ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. स्लोप मीन्स व्हाट? दैट इज हाउ द, लाइक दिस इज द स्लोप, हाउ द स्लोप इज, दैट इज द स्लोप. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑल आर द आंसर. नाउ दिस वन, given below is a question followed by 3 statements. Identify the statements. What is the average age of 30 students studying in a class? Good evening, Rajiv. Very interesting question. Identify the statement A, B, C that are necessary to answer the question. What is the question? 2019, December 2019. December 2019 का पेपर है. It is 5th December. What is the answer? Very interesting question. Okay, so what is the answer? Let's see the answer. Answer is 220. 220 is the answer. That is 4. 4. B and either A or C. What it is telling? कि B is important and either A or C. Why? Why this is? See that here the average, here what is the question? Question is telling कि that there is a question there. What it is telling? That given below is the question followed by 3 statement. Identify the statement A, B, C that are necessary to answer the question. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए what is the question? That is, what is the average age of 30 students in the class? The question is that you have to calculate the average age of 30 students. Here it is clearly mentioned that 30 students are there. So what is in your hand? What is in your hand from the question? You know, that is in your hand. In your hand you already know there are 30 students. There are 30 students. 30 student है. So what is the average age of the 30 student? यहाँ से आपको क्या करना है? What is the average age? तो average age आपको निकालना है and 30 student है. So already you know there are 30 student. Now what are the question? What are the information you needed? So here information is that is boys and girls ratio is 7:8. So if you know that is boys is to girls is 7:8. So from here also you can do that is number of student. What is the number of student and what is the number of girls? Because definitely it will be 7x plus 8y equals to 30. You know that there is 7x plus 8y equals to 30, right? and here it is telling ki average age of the boys and girls is 12.2 and 1. That is that it is very important. This two B is very important, because for doing average of 30 students, what is the average of girls and what is the average of boys, that is very important. And now C is telling the number of boys in the class is less than 2 of the number of girls. So from either here, if you tell that is x equals to y minus 2. So from this solution also, if you know x equals to y minus 2, then x plus y minus 2 if you know, and it is 30. So from here also you are able to solve. So either this is required, that is boys and girls, or this one is required. So from any one, if you know the average age, then you will be able to solve the total average age, right? That's why here it is telling कि B is necessary, and after that either A or C, दोनों में से किसी को आप लो, आपका आंसर निकल जाएगा. दोनों में से आप किसी को लो कि from this equation also you can get the answer, or from this equation also you can get the answer. If you know what is the average age, that is average age of girls is telling that is 12.2 and average age of boy that is 11.5, right? You already know that. 7x प्लस वाई मत करो, आपको ये भी कर सकते हो कि x प्लस वाई यू नो 30, and from here that is girls and boy is 7/8, that is x by y equals to 7/8. In that way also you can do, right? So that's why the answer is this only. That's why the answer is 4, not necessary. ठीक है? Yes, very interesting question. This question paper was very interesting. Now next one. All of the question are little bit different type of question. Consider the reference of categorical proposition. Categorical proposition are there, and from here it is asking the correct one. Option, these are the option. These are the option 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, see the answer. Answer is 9224. 9224 is the answer. Yes, option number 4. Correct. Correct. Sunita, Sarita, both are correct. Option number 4 is the answer. That is, some birds are mammal is particular affirmative. Yes, this is particular affirmative. We know that this is A-E-I-O, I type of statement, particular affirmative proposition, and it distributes neither subject term nor predicate term. What is the subject here? That is some birds. Some birds is subject, and what is the predicate? That is are mammal. So these are the predicates. So here it is not distribute. It is not distribute anyone. It is totally specific, particular, right? That's why this is the answer D. Yes, all of you are correct. Only D is the correct. 4. Next one. In a group of settings, which of the following factor hinder creativity of its member? Okay, what is the answer? 9228. 9228. That is option number 4. अच्छा, कोई मुझे बता सकते हो इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of this question? Can anyone tell me that what it is asking actually? That is the group of settings which of the following factor hinder creativity of hinder creativity of its members. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Four is the answer. What is the meaning of hinder creativity? Can anyone tell me? Here it is asking group settings which of the following factor hinder creativity. What is the hinder creativity? Can anyone tell me? Anyone have any idea? अरे hinder creativity का मतलब क्या है? पहले तो ये देख लो. What is hinder creativity? What is hinder creativity? If you know this, then you will do the obstacles. Okay, hinder creativity is to hinder creativity. Hinder creativity, the first way of hinder creativity to reduce thinking time. Reduce thinking time. Hinder creativity means that first way of hinder creativity. How to do hinder creativity? The first way of hinder creativity is to reduce thinking time. See, try to. No. Hinder creativity is, the first way of hinder creativity is to reduce thinking time and try to eliminate Hollywood management can accomplish using 6 steps. Not preventing. Hinder creativity is reduce thinking time and try to eliminate. That is reduce thinking time. Hind is, it's hind, not hide. It's hide. ठीक है? It's not hide, it's hind. Hind, Hind, it's not hide. It is hinder creativity of the members. It's hinder means to criticize if someone ideas is not correct, and here the norm of the maintain consensus at any cost. ठीक है, this is the answer. Hinder means what? See that is this is if you don't know, then always try to do the Google search, always try to read in that way. Here schedule May meeting, that is in additional weekly project, and that is the all kind of problem show all kind of problem and show off that and being accomplished. Have each team member account all his or her time in detail. Tell people not to talk to each other about their task. ठीक है, इसका मतलब है हाउ टू हाइंडिंग क्रिएटिविटी. ठीक है, एंड चेंज द प्रोडक्ट स्पेसिफिकेशन एंड पुट न्यू फीचर एट द लास्ट मिनट. यहाँ पे देखो, लास्ट मिनट पे आप प्रोडक्ट का फीचर चेंज कर रहे हो. हैव द टीम मेंबर्स स्टे एट 12 hours per day. Have them work and on weekend also. So this is a negative thing. Hinder creativity is the negative thing when you are doing some different types of work. ठीक है, that is the first way of hinder creativity is reduce thinking time and try to eliminate solitude. ठीक है, so that's why this is the answer. Okay. Now next one. Which of the following which two among of the following factors are responsible for transgression of ethical principle in research? Transgression of ethical principle of research. Is responsible for transgression of ethical principle of research. Okay, let's see the answer. That is 232. Yes, option number 4 is the correct. Yes, option number 4 is correct. That is harm to the participants and asking difficult question. ठीक है, that is transgression of ethical principle. मतलब आप ethical principle का बाहर जा रहे हो. that is the transgression, मतलब आप उल्टा कर रहे हो. what is the ethical principle? unethical काम कर रहे हो आप. what you are doing, that is you are doing some unethical work. So that's why the answer is 1 and 4, A and 4. Transgression means just you are doing in opposite way. So that is the 4. Now next one, ethnographic research. Which of the following activities are performed by the researcher in ethnographic research? Ethnographic research. Yes, see the answer. 236. 236 is the answer. 236, that is, yes, 4. Option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer, that is B and C. B and C. Here the question was for ethnographical research, that is get interested of social. Ethnography means study of society, that is social setting and extended period of time, and that is next one is the listen to the engaged and conversation. Always we are doing ethnographic research in that way, that's why B and C. Option 4 is the correct answer. B and C. Now next one. These are the different types of disorder. These are the different types of disorder. You have to match the disorder. And just after the question, try to write down this disorder in your notebook. Try to write down this disorder in the notebook. If you know, that's okay. If you don't know, then just after this question, just now try to write down all the disorder in your notebook. Okay, see the answer. Answer is 204. 204 is the answer. No. 1 minute. क्वेश्चन क्या था? That is 238. 238. Yes, 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. All of you are correct. 2 is the answer, that is dyslexia. Dyslexia means that is difficulty in reading. Dyslexia was there in the Tare Zameen Par. In the Tare Zameen Par, that is the mirror image problem. Difficulty in reading. That is the dyslexia. ठीक है? And after that, dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is what? That is the difficulty in doing mathematics. That is dysgraphia, means for graph, different types of graph. There are some difficulties to identify the graphical images, graph, mathematics. So that's why the graph related dysgraphia you can remember like the math. And dyscalculia is what? That is dyscalculia is calculation with math, and dysgraphia B is that is difficulty in writing, that is graphics is related to writing, that is the graphics, and calculia is the calculation, that's why the mathematics. And ADHA D is that is difficulty in concentrating, concenट्रेट करने में डिफिकल्टी है. सो दैट्स वाई 2 इज द आंसर. ठीक है. यस. नाउ anyone know what is the full form of ADHA? What is the full form of ADHA? Anyone know that? What is the full form of ADHA? ADHA difficulty. Attention. See, what is the full form of ADHA? Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. Okay, Sarita, bye. Attention Deficit hyperactivity disorder, that is ADHA. Remember that, maybe they can ask in other way. That's why always whenever you are doing any question, try to know the exact term and what is the exact root. Yes, attention difficulty and hyperactivity disorder, that is the ADHA. Okay. Yes. Now next one. Now next one. Blogging, television, periodicals and collection sites. Okay, Sunita, try to do this. Okay, let's see the answer. Answer is 244. 244 is the answer. Yes, option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. That is blogging, television, periodicals and collection site. Option 4 is the answer. All of you know that very well. That is A is 3. Social media, blogging we are doing in social media, you know that. Now next one. Again matching. Again matching. Allergens, mutagens, carcinogens and teratogens. Allergens, mutagens and carcinogens and teratogens. Prince Tribari, try to answer in 1, 2 through 3 or 4. A, B, C, D, not like that. 1, 2, 3 or 4. In that way you have to answer. Okay, let's see the answer. 9247 is the answer. 9247. 9247, that is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. That is A was what? That is allergen. What is allergen? That is the chemical that specifically causes abnormalities during embryonic growth and the development. That is allergen. Allergen is all are the biological term actually. And mutagen is chemical that alert or damage the genetic metal DNA cell. Mutagen, that is, it is coming from the word mutation. Mutation is going on in the DNA. ठीक है? Paper 1 only. The subject is paper 1 only, Vijaya Lakshmi. Actually these are coming in people and environment. These questions are coming under people and environment. People and environment, these questions are coming. ठीक है? Allergen, yes, allergen is substance that actives the immunosystem. Yes, immunosystem. This is active that immune system, that are the allergen. And mutagen, that is the chemical DNA that is related to mutation, when the mutation is done. And carcinogen is related to that is substance that cause invasive out of the control cell growth and resulting in malignant tumor. Carcinogen is actually related to cancer. Carcinogen is related to cancer. Okay, carcinogen term is coming from the cancer. And teratogen is that that is the chemical that specially causes abnormalities during this, that is the teratogen. ठीक है. Allergen means that are related to your immune system. We are that is allergy, different types of allergy is coming, right, that are related to allergen. So that's why you can remember in that ki allergy, that is allergen, that is immunosystem. If your immunity is less, then that is the effect of allergen. What are the allergen are there in your body, according to that your immunity, it is related to your immunity. You can remember like that ki allergy, if you have any allergy means it is your problem of immunity. So it is related to immunity, allergen is related to immunity. And mutagen is related to mutation process is going on the cell of the human body, of everyone, every animal's body or human body, any living creature. For any living creature there are the cell and there are the DNA, there the mutation is going on. So mutagen is coming from the mutation. And carcinogen actually it is coming from the cancer, that are the malignant tumor. Malignant tumor means it is a one type of, it is spreading, which type of tumor are spreading the cancer, that we are telling the malignant. So carcinogen is related to cancer, ठीक है. And teratogen is related to, that is chemical that specially cause abnormalities during embryonic growth of development, ठीक है. Yes, thank you Ruhi, you were too late. So these are people and environment question, ठीक है. I am solving this paper and I am taking this paper to solve before the exam, so that maybe they can ask this type of question also, so that you will be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. That's why I took this question. This is a previous year's question only, December 2019, 5th December, first shift. Okay, now next one. 50 in decimal, 102 in decimal, and real time video conferencing and SMS testing. How they are doing the matching with the number system? They are doing the matching with the SMS and real time video conferencing. So from one question they are asking two types of concept. How they are forming the question, just see. This is NTA. This is NTA. Be prepared for this. This is NTA. पागल एग्जैक्टली हो ना, एग्जैक्टली. And for the number system, I have already taken a class in the ICT class when the ICT was going on. One day there was ICT class. There we have discussed all the binary, hexadecimal, octal. So if you don't know, please check that video. Okay, there we have discussed all the number system. You can check the video there. So what is the answer? Answer is 9251. 9251 is the answer. That is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. That is just convert this 50, it will become if you convert the 50, I think you all know decimal, how to do the decimal. And real time video conferencing, synchronous and asynchronous means what is the difference? That just now in the live class it is synchronous. When it is synchronous, then when I am giving the speech and the feedback is coming at a time, communication is going on and feedback is coming, that is synchronous. And asynchronous is, that is when the feedback is not coming at the same time, that is the asynchronous. That's why SMS when you are sending SMS, that is asynchronous, and the real time video conferencing is synchronous. ठीक है? And all of you know that how to do the binary to decimal. I show you the trick how to do the binary to decimal. Just you have to do 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power here 1, then 2 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. In that way you have to write. That will be, here it is 0, that will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. In that way you have to write. And here you have to see what is that, that is 50. If you have to do 50 means, that is here 2 to the power 5, it is 2 to the power 5, that is 32. 32 आप कर लो. उसके बाद देखो कितना बाकी है. 32 के बाद 1 8 is there, and after that there is 1 4 18 बाकी है. तो यहाँ पे आपको 18 बनाना है, that is 16 and this is 1, so it will be 0, that is actually 50. In that way you can do 50. 32, here it is 32 plus 16 and plus 2, that is actually 32, that is 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. In that way you can do. There it is coming 1 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, in that way you can do binary to decimal and decimal to binary. ठीक है? Now next one. Next one. All the inventor, name of all inventor. Name of all inventor, that who give that thesis. Inductive method, against the method, paradigms, falsification. Yes, this question paper was really very tricky question. Those who have qualified last time Bengali, this is the Bengali paper actually, from the Bengali paper paper 1. So those who have qualified Bengali last time, really it was challenging for them. 255, really the question was challenging for them. 255, that is option number 3. पता नहीं. Don't go for all the inventor. Don't go for all the inventor. Just try to write down. Just whatever now the inventor is there, whatever inventor in this question, try to write down in your notebook. Maybe they can ask again. Why I am doing this question? Maybe they can ask again this type of question, so that if same question came, then you will be able to solve. That's why I am solving here. ठीक है? Just what are the inventor here? try to write down the inventor name in your notebook and try to remember only these four, that is Karl Popper, T.S. Kuhn and Paul Feyerabend and Francis Bacon. Please write down the name and try to remember. ठीक है, they can ask this question again so that you will be able to solve. Just that is the only way. That is A is 4. Falsification. Falsification क्या है? कौन? Karl Popper. Falsification given by Karl Popper. And B is 3, that is paradigms. Paradigms given by T.S. Kuhn. And C is 2, that is against the method. Paul is against the method. And D is 1, that is Francis Bacon is inductive method. Inductive method, Francis Bacon. So try to write down this name in your notebook, and before going to exam just see that and try to remember that. If same question came or maybe one came, then you can identify. ठीक है. Now next one. Again matching. Again matching. Formal communication, informal communication, outwards communication, inwards communication. Types of communication and distinguished example. Distinguishing example. Here it is distinguishing example and here it is types of communication. You have to match. Outwards communication, inwards communication, informal communication. Yes, what is the answer? 257. 257 is the answer. 1. Option number 1 is the answer. Option number 1 is the answer, that is formal communication. Memo writing in our class 11. In our class 11, 12, that is the 12th exam, 12th board exam, there we have to write the memo. Memo writing was there in our syllabus. So memo writing is a formal type of communication. Memo we are writing for the official document. It is a official document. Memo is always a formal document. ठीक है. And next one is memo is always a formal document. ठीक है. And that is the next one is informal. Informal communication, that is the government agencies. Informal communication here 4 is group chain. Group chain means that is informal communication when you have to do in the group, in our WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, in our group chain, that is informal. When the group chaining is going on, that is the informal. ठीक है. Informally आप group में chaining कर रहे हो, एक से एक और एक से एक. What I am doing in the WhatsApp, in the YouTube, that is a type of group chaining. When any video is getting viral, that is also a group chaining, but it is informal, right? And next one, outwards communication. Outwards communication is a governmental agency, that is from government it is going to out, it is going to all over the country. That's why it is the outward communication. And inward communication is circular. Inward means that is it should be inbound in your office. Inward means it is definitely for a specific area, means for organization messages it should be circulate inside the office. It should not go outside the office. That's why this is the circular. When you are sending any circular, circular for a specific area, circular for a specific group, circular for the specific teachers, that are the circular. Circular is giving to teacher, circular is giving to any other students. So this is the inward communication. This is for a specific area. ठीक है. That's why दिस इज द इनवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है. यस यस, मेमो इज ऑलवेज ए फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. नाउ थोड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है. सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन contain only optical storage. Again it is little bit different type. Optical storage media. What is only the optical storage media? Okay, let's see the answer. That is 624. 264. 264 is the answer. That is option number 4. That is option number 4 is the answer. See here. That is DVD, CD-R, CD-ROM, CD-R, Blu-ray disc and CD-RW. Optical storage, all the optical storage is here. USB memory stick is not a optical storage. Here the USB memory stick, it is not a optical memory storage. ठीक है. Here is the USB memory stick. USB memory stick is not a optical storage. That's why this is not the answer. And USB memory storage और CD-ROM कौन सा ऑप्टिकल नहीं है? Which one is not optical? Only optical is DVD, CD, Blu-ray stick and CD-RW. ठीक है. That's why this is the answer 4. All of you were correct. Ansu, just now you joined. Ansu, please try to check the recording after the class because this question paper is little bit different, and definitely try to see all the question. This question paper is little bit different, that's why I am solving here. So please try to watch the recording, Ansu, after the class, because yesterday we have solved some question and today we are solving some question. So definitely don't miss this paper. Noise level at traffic site are recorded for 1 hour at a sampling interval of 1 second, and percentile indicates noise, that is L1, L10, L50, L19 compound data. So the then arranged increasing order maximum, which is the option represent their correct order. करेक्ट ऑर्डर पे करो आप इसको. ठीक है आंसू, डोंट वरी आंसू, आई नो you are in a native place, so I know that, so don't worry. Whenever you got time, whenever at night you are the speed is there, so you can see the recording at night, you can watch the recording at night. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. And after doing the class I will upload this question in my website also, because this question is very important. That's why I will upload this question paper in my website also. So from my website also you can check. Don't worry Anshu, don't be upset, don't be upset, never be upset or never be feel bad, always be happy. You are fighting against your problems, so definitely you will achieve your goal, don't worry. What is the answer for the 42? Correct order क्या है? What is the correct order? Noise level at the traffic site are recorded in 1 hour at a sampling interval of 1 second, and percentile indicates, it is there the percentile. Here it is the percentile indicates of noise. What is the percentile? L1, L10, L50, L90 are computed from the data and indicates, then arrange the increasing order. Increasing order पे आप करो, then the value starting from minimum to maximum. So which of the following option are correct? Very much interesting question they have given, really. So 268 तुक्का क्यों लगा रहे हो? तुक्का क्यों लगा रहे हो? See that is why. Don't no guess मत करो, don't guess, just see that what is the problem here. Here it is telling percentile, here it is telling percentile, ठीक है, and it is asking that minimum to maximum, minimum से maximum, and what is the percentile? That is the noise level of the traffic site are recorded in 1 hour. 1 hour में कितना आ रहे हैं noise level? 1 hour में at a sampling interval of 1 second, and percentile of noise, percentile noise का percentile कितना हो रहा है? 1, 10, L5, L10, L9, L90. Now it is asking that the indicates, then the arrange the increasing order and value starting from minimum to maximum. Which of the option is correct? Here what is the percentile? What is the percentile? Percentile का formula किसी को actually you know what is percentile? That in you know that is my percentile is 99.46. So 99.46 का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of this? This is percentile का meaning क्या है? They give that because you should know the meaning of percentile. What is the meaning of percentile? Percentile means nothing that the highest. What is the highest? Highest जितना है मतलब marks. Marks may be for our computer science total marks. What who got the total marks? That is maybe I am taking that who got the total marks. He was only 170. 170. He got 170. Okay, and I got what, that is maybe 150, 156 or 162 like that. 162 I am taking. I got 162. ठीक है. So out of 300, the highest marks was 170. So this 170 is now 100. This 170, who got 170 marks means who is the fast? Who is fast? Who stood fast in the NTA NET computer science department? So according to his marks, he is the owner of 100 percentile. He is the owner of 100 percentile, मतलब maximum. He is the owner of maximum, that was 100 percentile. So now whatever I got, my percentage is according to the highest, according to the highest level. So according to the highest level it was 99.46. ठीक है. So highest level से compare होकर मेरा यहाँ पे कितना आया? 99.46. But here what it is telling? Here it is telling noise level at a traffic site are re-recorded इन 1 आवर एट ए सैम्पलिंग इंटरवल ऑफ 1 सेकेंड. तो 1 सेकेंड में कितना हो रहा है, एंड इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द परसेंटाइल. सो परसेंटाइल मतलब 1 सेकेंड. 1 सेकेंड मीन्स दैट इज 1 सेकेंड. 1 सेकेंड में अगर मैक्सिमम आई एम टेकिंग 100, तो मैक्सिमम में मुझे आ रहे हैं 90. 90 is L90. If L90 is there, then L90 is the just opposite. आप सोचो कि it is minimum to maximum. That is, it is asking that the indicates are then arranged in the increasing order in the term of value starting from minimum to maximum. देखो वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है, परसेंटाइल इज नॉट ऑलवेज द परसेंटेज. परसेंटाइल का मतलब परसेंटेज नहीं है, ठीक है. इसमें जो ले रहे हैं वो सबसे कम, जिसका सबसे कम है उसका परसेंटाइल दे रहे हैं 90. मतलब जिसका नॉइज लेवल कम है, हुज नॉइज लेवल जिसका सबसे कम है उसको मैं दे रही हूँ 90, ठीक है. जिसका नॉइज लेवल कम आ रहा है उसको मैं दे रही हूँ 90. मतलब 90 इज द लोएस्ट. मतलब 90 is the lowest. When if I am giving percentile 90 means whose noise level is low. जिसका noise कम हो रहा है उसको मैं 90 दूंगा ना. जिसका noise बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है उसको तो मैं कम ही मार्क्स दूंगी. My target is to calculate the noise. तो जिसका noise ज़्यादा हो रहा है उसको मैं कम परसेंटाइल दूंगी, और जिसका noise ज़्यादा हो रहा है उसको मैं जिसका नॉइज कम हो रहा है ज़्यादा हो रहा है उसको मैं कम दूंगी, राइट. दैट्स वाई हेयर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इंक्रीजिंग लेवल, दैट इज मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम, देन मिनिमम इज 90. मतलब मिनिमम कौन कर रहा है, विच वन इज मिनिमम. परसेंटाइल मतलब व्हेन आई एम गिविंग परसेंटाइल, व्हेन आई एम गिविंग द हाइस्ट, ठीक है. जिसको मैं अच्छा मार्क्स दे रही हूँ, किसको मैं अच्छा दूंगी. परसेंटाइल इज नथिंग दैट इज द हु इज फास्ट. हु इज फास्ट, फास्ट कौन होगा, फास्ट वो ही होगा जिसका नॉइज कम है. हुज नॉइज इज लो, दे ही विल बी फास्ट डेफिनेटली. हुज नॉइज इज लो, दैट्स वाई him I will give 90. him I will give 90. So that's why when you are doing in ordering, so 90 will come least, ठीक है. टारगेट क्या था, टारगेट तो वही होता है कि नॉइज लेवल किसका कम है, राइट. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द ऑर्डरिंग 940. समझ में आया. टारगेट क्या है, टारगेट ऑफ द एग्जाम. इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम, इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ टेस्ट. It is a type of test, and what is the target of test? That test target will be, that is 60. This is 60 decimal will be the target. तो 60 decimal के अंदर जो होगा उसको मैं दूंगी अच्छा मार्क्स, एंड 60 decimal के बाहर जो जा रहे उसको मैं कम मार्क्स दूंगी ना, डेफिनेटली, ठीक है. गॉट इट, इज इट क्लियर. नॉइज सैंपल ले रहे हो आप, percentile is nothing. Percentile means that whatever you testing, that is slab. क्लियर हुआ क्या नहीं. किसी को 90, जस्ट ऐसे सोचो, किसी को 90 दे रहे हो मतलब किसी को आप परसेंटाइल 90 दे रहे हो, मीन्स व्हेन यू आर गिविंग परसेंटाइल 90 मीन्स हिज नॉइज इज लो, his noise is low, that's why you are giving him 90, means his noise is low, ठीक है. So in order, when you will do it order, then it will be come back like that. Okay, yes. Now next one, last two question, 30, 43, 44, 45. Assertion and reason. Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you, Srinivas Reddy. Okay, this is the ozone level. This is the question from ozone level, that is 272. 272 is the answer. That is option number 4. A is false but B is true. Okay, thank you. 272, that is 4. 4 is the answer. See, here it is telling in afternoon of hot sunny day during the summer season, the tropospheric ozone level in the city like Delhi are expected to be lower as compared to the morning and evening. कंपेयर टू द मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग में ओजोन लेवल कम होता है या ज़्यादा होते हैं. इट इज़ एक्चुअली टेलिंग द what is the stratosphere and troposphere? Do you know the level of the what are the level of the atmosphere, that is the biosphere? एटमोस्फियर का सब लेवल कितना है, क्या क्या है? What are the level? Do you know the level? Art level. What is the art level name? Stratosphere or troposphere or troposphere? Which is the name? Near the art level, the air surface. What is this telling? Troposphere or stratosphere? Which one? Which one? Tell me, what is the sequence? What is the sequence? Tell me. Tell me the sequence. All of you are confused. Tell me the sequence. What is the sequence of the atmosphere level? Atmosphere level का sequence क्या है? Stratosphere, troposphere, then इसका नाम आर्थ लेवल में ट्रोपोस्फियर होता है. Yes. Yes, what is the level? देखो, it is the earth. This is the earth. Here, earth level में क्या रहते हैं? Troposphere. Troposphere. Here रहते हैं stratosphere. स्ट्रैटोस्फीयर एंड हेयर रहते हैं मेसोस्फीयर. मेसोस्फीयर एंड हेयर रहते हैं थर्मोस्फीयर. थर्मोस्फीयर एंड हेयर रहते हैं, यहाँ पे रहते हैं क्या? एक्सोस्फीयर. एक्सोस्फीयर. ठीक है. नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इट इज आस्किंग? इट इज आस्किंग दैट इन आफ्टरनून ऑफ ए हॉट सनी डे ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन, the tropospheric ozone level in the city like Delhi is expected to be lower than compared to morning and evening. No, because क्या होते हैं कि morning में at the time of morning there is little bit lower pollution. little bit lower pollution रहते हैं morning and evening में rather than the time of, that is the here it is telling afternoon. आफ्टरनून में ज़्यादा रहते हैं क्योंकि इन आफ्टरनून देर आर द ट्रैफिक इज़ हाई. इन द मॉर्निंग आफ्टर द 10 o'clock से स्टार्ट होते, फ्रॉम 10 o'clock टिल 6 or 7 o'clock the traffic is always high. So that's why in that time always the level, and in the there are two types of difference at the sunny weather and in the summer season and in the winter season. Two types of difference are there. And for the Delhi smog, there is a topic for the Delhi smog, how the Delhi smog is coming. So for that today I will send a document, today I will send in the group a notes for you, that how the Delhi smog is forming and actually what it is going on. Actually when the traffic is high, then ozone is coming from the different particle of pollution, different types of gases. From that gases, after the reaction, ozone is performing, ozone is actually coming to our troposphere. So that's why at the afternoon level definitely the level will be high rather than morning. Here it is telling it is low, that's why this is wrong. ठीक है, that's why this is wrong. So here the answer is that is A is false, but B is that is in the afternoon period and atmosphere is unstable and its diluted pollution, its diluted potential in the higher of compared to morning and evening, definitely, because here at that time it is unstable because there are too much pollution, there are too much traffic is there, that's why it is unstable. So reason is true but assertion is false. ठीक है, ठीक है. एडमिट कार्ड आ गए, एडमिट कार्ड आ गए, देखती हूँ जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन करने के बाद, लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर लो, हो सकता है एडमिट कार्ड आ गए, और लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन कर लो. अमन इज टेलिंग एडमिट कार्ड आ गए, लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन कर लो. Information technology is first being very important field of activity in India. What is true and what is false? Okay, let's see the answer. It's already 2 hours over. It's already 2 hours over. So it is 275. 275 is the answer. That is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. Yes, all of you are correct. That is A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. And next question is 45. 45 number question, last, again assertion and reason. The governor has power to ask any information from the chief minister regarding the administration and the state. Reason, the governor is real head of the state of administrator. This is the last question because after that reading comprehension is there. Definitely after this question reading comprehension or DI, anyone is there. So this is the last question. Yes, the answer is 9279. 9279. Yes, option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. Here is A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. Here governor has the power to ask to any information from the chief minister regarding the administration. Yes, it is true. It is true. And governor is the real head of state administration. No, governor is not related to state administration. Governor is related to the central governor. Governor is signing in our rupee, right? So reason is false. It is not related to state, it is related to the central. So that's why reason is false, assertion is true. Okay, yes, all of you were correct. After that, form 45, this is reading comprehension. So I am not going to do reading comprehension in this class. So all the question have done except the DI and reading comprehension, because DI and reading comprehension we are solving in our group. I am sending this in the group of WhatsApp and Telegram group. You can join the WhatsApp or Telegram. There is the Telegram group. This is the Telegram channel. Here this is the Telegram channel. You can see Telegram channel is there. Unified Study NET JRF paper 1. You can join this channel, and you can avail the mock test in the unifiedstudy.com. There will be the mock test. I will upload this PDF also. Okay, okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for joining that session, and happy Teachers Day to all of you. You are a teacher and you are going to be a teacher. So best wishes for all of you for your career and for your future. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, thank you. Yes, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Bye. I think this session will be helpful for you, because this is a different type of question. Yesterday and today we have done all the question of that paper. This paper is very important, because here I saw that different type of question is coming in this paper. So be prepared, try to check all types of question and be prepared for that. Don't get confused. Okay, be prepared for any situation. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Thank you. Bye. It was a 2 hours से ज़्यादा, more than 2 hours session. So thanks who have joined from the first, that is Sunita and some students are there who have joined from first till 4:30 to 6:30, 6:38 till now you are live. So thanks for that. Thanks for your patience. Thank you.